Hello, I am Dr. Rakhi Gupta, psychologist, counselor, JNB, Kanpur Dehat. Today's topic yoga, the benefits for students. The International Day of Yoga has been celebrated annually on 21st June since 2015 by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Yoga is a physical, mental and spiritual practice which originates in India. Let's talk about the benefit of yoga for student. Sitting at a desk for a day, going back home and posturing over books to finish the daily homework, assignment, studying in various extracurricular activities, etc. all causes the body and mind to tense up. There are social and family challenges, anxiety, bullying, and emotional that also take their toll on children. Here are some of the benefits of including yoga for children in school. First, reduce stress and anxiety. Yoga helps them to deal with their stress and bring back some peace of mind. Second, improve memory and attention span. A direct benefit of which would be a better academic performance in children. Third, help to manage weight. Yoga help to counterbalance this lifestyle and help to curb the problem of childhood obesity at a young age in a salvious way. Fourth, improve flexibility, balance and posture. The practice of various asana on a regular basis lead to correction of posture, enhance flexibility and improve balance as it brings equilibrium to the whole body. Fifth, teaches correct breathing techniques. Pranayam and other breathing exercise in yoga, students can learn at a young age how to master the technique of breathing correctly and improve the quality of their life. 6. Encourage self-love and self-care. It teaches pupils how to respect and love their own bodies. With self-love comes self-care, and yoga can teach these values at a very young age. The children learn to be comfortable in their own skin and nurture it back. 7th, improve self-controls. Yoga teaches pupil self-control, keep his or her anger in check and make rational decision when required. 8th, reduce violence in school. Because of good health and balanced temperament, children are least likely to remain absent from school or pick fight with each other over small issues. Instead, they tend to engage more positively in school and develop healthy relationship with their teachers and peers. 9th, encourage coping skill. Children are burdened with a lot of stress. Yoga teaches children how to correctly cope with the stress, manage it and stay productive. 10th, boost immunity and improve physical appearance. Yoga also boosts immunity and prevent attack from different virus and bacteria by increasing the level of antibodies. Yoga promotes blood circulation which can work wonder for the skin, hair and nail. A healthy body feel and look happy. 11. Improve the quality of sleep. Children should sleep for up to 7 to 8 hours each night. A good night's sleep allows the body to be healthy, ready and energetic for the next day. As yoga allows the body and the mind to relax, children can focus better in class, play more actively and perform better at examinations. 12th, increase self-confidence and self-esteem. Through asanas, children build strength, endurance, confidence as well as the mind concentration. You can self assess the changes and positively you feel after having engaged in this for some time. Thank you so much.